When I don't have time to cook, I make this simple and quick dinner. First, I season the meat. Here I have a grated onion. Then I add the minced meat. Add chopped parsley to taste. A teaspoon of garlic powder. Black pepper to taste. Salt to taste. And a teaspoon of chopped basil. Now I'm going to mix it very well to incorporate the spices into the meat, and also until it browns. Now take a frying pan and grease it with butter. That's the way I'm doing it. Make sure the pan is well greased. Now add a tortilla. And this one is a very generous size. Then add the meat. Spread the meat like this until the tortilla is completely covered with the meat. Once that's done, grate 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. And spread the cheese evenly over the top. Now let's cover with another tortilla dough and let's fix the sides here. Then let's move on to the next part. Break 2 eggs into a bowl and beat them very well. Then add the beaten eggs to the tortilla and we'll spread it out like this to cover the whole tortilla. Once that's done, we'll put it on the stove. And I'll spread the eggs over it. Now just cover and let it cook for 15 minutes over a low heat. After that time, we'll turn it over. Add slices of tomato, grated mozzarella cheese, and cover again. Leave it for another 7 minutes. The cheese has melted. I'll put some parsley on top, and look what a wonderful meal it was. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. What a wonderful dinner. Whenever I have ground beef and tortilla chips at home, I make this recipe. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.